Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2019 Hino 268. It's 25,950 GVW, so it does come in under CDL. But before we do that, I want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring our trucks in from our leasing department, which this particular truck came from, or from our customers' trade-ins. We do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, brakes, tires, engine, transmission fluids. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a test drive, clean up, and get them put online for our customers to take a look at. This particular truck has also, besides that 150-point check, had the engine oil filter, fuel, and air filters have been replaced, and this truck is pre-qualified for AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the cab real quick. As we climb in, got plenty of grab handles. This truck has got a really nice air suspension captain's chair for the driver. We got a two-person bench seat. For a crew of three, we've got the great outward visibility and the pretty good upward visibility with the sloped hood that the Hino provides. This truck has AM, FM, CD radio. It's got air conditioning, cruise control, and the large mirrors on the door can be controlled by this remote here from the driver's seat, so you can adjust it from out without ever leaving the truck, which is a really nice safety feature, and they are heated. And even though this is a 2019 year model truck, it really did clean up nice. It's very well kept. Be a great ride for your guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you buy a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. One thing I did forget to mention a minute ago, this truck does have brand new rubber on the front. It's got really good rubber on the back. This truck is in really good shape as far as the body. There's not a lot of dents. It's not scratched up. It's a Southern truck, so there's not a whole lot of rust on it. As we said, it's got brand new steer tires on it, great rubber on the back. This particular truck has a step bumper and a pull-out ramp on it. We've left this combination. Some people like that combination. If you're in need of a lift gate, we can take this off, put a multitude of tuck-away lift gates or even a rail lift on the back of this if that's what you need. This particular body is 26 foot long, 103 tall, 102 wide, which is about one of the most common freight carrying capacity bodies. It's got the hardwood Apatong slats coming down the sides. We've got 2 rows of E-track, and we can add more E-track if you need it in our body shop. It's got the Apatong hardwood scuff on the bottom. It's got a nice aluminum roof, the LED dome light, and the laminated hardwood floor, and this body has got a whole lot of life left in it. Here at Industrial Power, we do 26-foot box delivery trucks, but we also do the smaller ones, the 14, 16, 18, 20 foots on the smaller chassis and other vocational bodies. And even though this truck is in really good shape, we can still wrap the body and the cab if you'd like with your name, graphics, design, phone number, turning that fuel money to advertising money while this truck's running down the road. Again, a really nice 2019 Hino 268, 25,950 GVW, fully serviced and pre-qualified for that extended warranty. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new product online, you'll be aware of it and you'll be able to take a look at it. Stick with us for a second. We're going to tilt the hood on this truck, start it up, and give you a little more intimate walk around of just the truck. And as always, we do appreciate your time.